I'm in a studio out here in the western suburbs. It's called the Hunt Club Community and Arts Centre. I have a 6 studio up here upstairs, but one thing I really want near my studio, and especially like within the western suburbs, is like a street art wall. You know, a space you can just paint big, practice, and just like play around. I had that when I was in Melbourne CBD, so I just sort of stroll around the laneways and just squiggle here and there. Over here in the west, you know, if you want to put something up that's big, you need to find a proper wall, and it's a bit of a hassle. So instead of that, I wanted to basically build my own facility for this. It was a tricky thing to do. I applied for funding, applied for a grant, I got it, and now it's time to go out the back and build that wall. There's a pre-existing structure that's already pretty like dodgy. It has a bunch of metal and thin bamboo over the whole thing. It's looking pretty run down, so I'm gonna use that pre-existing structure, tear down what's on it, chuck a bunch of ply up, screw it in, make it all legit, paint that thing up, and then I'm actually gonna do the first mural on it. I won't take too long for the mural because, you know, it's gonna get painted over anyway, that's the point, but I thought I might as well paint one to sort of introduce the space. That's a wrap for the wall itself. I'm gonna anchor it down with a few more screws and hit it with a coat of paint. After that, this thing's gonna get painted hundreds of times. There's some big plans. You know, I can come down here and just like put up something quick to practice, as well as like inviting in for workshops, helping out the community. I think it looks pretty rad. I mean, it's all level, looks good, and yeah, I think it's ready to go.